join me in welcoming to the stage Mr. Kwame Osei.
Listen, I'm so grateful to be here.
From being a professional football player to now this inspirational speaker, his speech inspired not only me but the whole room.
I'm grateful to be here. When I say that, I really mean it. If you're about counting your blessings, give me 2 claps.
It made the room come alive. He involved us all. He made us all feel that we can live and work together and be inclusive.
He was really high energy and very engaging, and I found it very interactive and what can be a difficult topic and for people to easily kind of check out and not relate, he drew you in with his personality, the way he talks, his energy level, his interaction with the crowd. So I found him really, really engaging, and he made what is an otherwise difficult topic more accessible.
Very energetic, very engaging. There was not one moment that I was looking elsewhere. I was definitely looking at him as he engaged the crowd. I love how he delivered his message with so much vulnerability and compassion, and I really connected to his story.
I enjoyed his stories about coaching, growing up in Toronto, learning who he was and learning who he is, and the continuing involvement of who he is as a person.
I grew up in an environment where I had low expectations of life. And what my coach didn't understand was that there's so many kids in my neighborhood that were looking at me like I was an NFL hero.
How he was able to make a otherwise really heavy topic very easy to understand.
He was authentic and genuine and really spoke from the heart, and that really impacted me.
It was a great session. I would recommend it to everyone, for folks to have a conversation about diversity and inclusion.
And come together in a manner where we respect and we learn about who we are as individuals. If you have an opportunity to have him speak at your event, you will be inspired and you will have eye-opening experiences.
Thank you so much. Much love.
Thank you so much, Kwame, for an inspirational, wonderful discussion and presentation.